Now the function that we just written, or the code that we just written of Fibonacci series, we will just trace the Fibonacci series in a tree format. So what we want is fib of 5, that we have passed the value 5. Now what will happen in this function, that if n is less than equal to 1, it's not, so it will return fib n minus 2 plus fib n minus 1. So it is calling the function again and again. This will be over, then this will perform. So it's like a recursion. We will just trace this recursion. Like, let's see, fib of 5. What's fib of 5? We don't know. So fib with 5 will go n is equal to 5. 5 is less than equal to 1? No. So it will not return 1, it will go to the next line. Return fib n minus 2, that is 5 minus 2, 3. So fib of 3. So fib, again another function is called, that is fib of 3. So fib of 3, it will again go to this n, and it will see if 3 is less than equal to 1. No, it's not. So it will go and it will perform 3 minus 2, which is 1. So 1 and 1, yes, 1. And after this it will again go and it will see if n is less than equal to 1. Yes, it is less than, it is equal to 1, so it will return what? 1. So this will return 1. Now it will go, the very important feature of recursion is that it will go back to the function call and it will trace again. Like after this f1, it is go back to this f3 and it will go to another function, that is f2, that is n minus 1. So f3 is completed, this side is completed in f2, that is this. So and now n value is 2. 2, is it less than equal to 1? Yes, it is less than equal to 1. No, it is not equal to less than 1. So it will go to the next line and it will 2 minus 2, which is 0, 0, 2 minus 1, which is equal to 1. So f of 0 is 0 and f of 1 is 1. F of 1 is 1. So it will go back and again back. Now it will go 3, like this function has performed its task. Now it will perform of this, of fib of n minus 1. What would be the value of fib of n minus 1? Now the value of n is 5. So it will perform fib of 5 minus 1, that is 4. 4. Now the 4 is called. Now 4 minus 2, which is equal to 2. 4 minus 1, 3. Again 4 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 0, minus 1, 1. 3 minus 2, 1, and minus 1, 2. And 10, 0, and 1. So how many calls are happened over here? Which is 15 call. So for value of fib of 5, total 15 calls have happened. So let's say fib of n minus 2 is also fib of n minus 1. So 2 fib of n minus 1. So what will be the order of this? It would be order of 2 to the power n. When a function is calling 2 times with a reduced value, then the order is 2 to the power n. So it's consuming a lot of time. Like the previous function, this function, it just took order n, and this is taking 2 to the power n. So is it any substitute way to just, to make it more efficient? First of all, let's see the drawbacks, what is happening. Fib of 3, it's calling 2 times. Fib of 2, it's calling 2 times, 3 times. So as we can see, the function call is, it's like multiple function call is happening over here. So we have to avoid this excessive calls. So to avoid these excessive calls, we will use static variable. So using static variable, we can just avoid unnecessary function calls.